Hello from Canada. Yes, I'm in Canada, or actually Canada. Just a neighborhood in Stockholm that it's called Canada, located on the Muskö island that has even a military base at the very beginning of the island, but it's a bit far from here where I am. I am towards the very end of the island, and I can see the very end of the island where I was last year. And now this is the very first time I'm in here, and this is Canada neighborhood, and I have found an amazing beach here where I am now basically all alone, and it has both steps towards the sea and even a jumping platform that I'm going to jump in a bit. It is 21st of July and a sunny Monday. The hot weather continues in Stockholm. We have been having it now for 5 days in a row, and it will be continue to be warm the rest of the week. However, there will be clouds, so today is probably the last full sunny day in Stockholm, so I'm going to use it for sure. Right now it is 10:15 a.m. so I have gotten up very early. I have been an early bird. As you can see, this is facing east, and maybe it's good that I'm visiting this now, as maybe there will be less sun later, or I don't know. The sun is up now anyway, very high, so it's gonna be amazing. And beach the number 66. To get here it took me like 2 hours, as I have taken the bus at 7:52 was the first bus I got from close to my home, and I was also walking, so more than 2 hours, actually 2.5 hours. But it's definitely worth it because I'm here all alone, as now it is the main season of the Swedish holidays and many people are actually on vacation, but also it is Monday, so I don't know. And it is very remote to get here, and this beach is not visible on the map, so most of the people that are living here in the neighborhood knows about it. But they also have a boat, most of them here, so they are probably out on the sea. This place is located in Haninge Municipality, as I mentioned, in Muskö Island, and it's called Canada, as I have said, or in English, Canada. It's so funny because they have named this, well, technically there is also Canada geese here a lot, so maybe it is named after that. I don't think it's named after the country, but it's just very interesting to me that is very flag enthusiast, and they have built a jumping platform into the sea, and there is even steps to get up later, obviously. Beautiful sea, 22 degrees in the sea, and in the air we have 24. In Stockholm, central Stockholm, it is up to 28. So if you want to escape the heat when you're in Stockholm, go to the sea is my tips, because you will definitely get a lot of colder weather. And even though it's only 28 in the city, that feels like 40. It feels hotter than being in the Mediterranean, because the Nordic heat really hits hard. As I have been recently to see where it was over 30 degrees, and it didn't feel that hot like right now in Stockholm. But I really love the heat, as you know. And let's see, do we have algae blooming currently? Yes, we do. Oh my god, the algae blooming. But I really wanted to jump, and I'm gonna jump anyway, but it is not recommended to drink the water when it's algae blooming. But they say you only live once, so I'm just gonna go for it. Ready, set, and go! I was really trying not to take any sip, because usually you take few sips when you are in the water, but it didn't feel like there's a lot of algae, and it was so majestic to jump from this secluded beach spot here in Muskö. Muskö is the name of the island. Oh yes, we can see the algae blooming And we are here fairly close to Havsbad, which is one of the closest public beaches. And I think that around this time they have usually warning not to swim, or actually it was around somewhere closer to the end of July last year. We're still now almost mid of July, I would say. 10 days left of this month, but I'm so happy and blessed to be able to explore the beautiful island of Muskö. Even though it took me 2 hours, more than 2 hours, it's gonna be a total of 4.5 hours, I guess, back and forth, but it's worth it. I'm gonna be chilling here today at least until 6 p.m. for sure. Greetings from Canada, this interesting place here in Muskö. Make sure to visit this one if you want to jump in the sea like this on a beach that's all for your own. And I'm gonna be exploring later towards the end of the coast where I was last year, as there is a very beautiful pebble beach that was quite windy last year and a bit colder, but today is gonna be amazing to chill on that beach out on the open sea. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.